The holiday season is here, and we found the perfect gift. Let's unwrap all the details on MANSCAPED 3.0 Body Hair Trimmer. Quiz time. What is the highest grossing Christmas movie of all time? Choices. A. Elf. B. Home Alone. C. How the Grinch Stole Christmas. D. The Polar Express. Get in the holiday spirit and guess the answer. Comment below and don't miss the big reveal at the end. Hey there, holiday revelers. It's that joyous time of year again, and if you're hunting for the perfect gift to bring some festive flair this season, look no further than the MANSCAPED 3.0 Body Hair Trimmer, also known as the MANSCAPED Lawn Mower 3.0 Plus. Now, let me tell you what all the ho-ho hype is about. This men's body hair trimmer isn't just your average grooming gadget. Oh no, it's a SkinSafe groin trimmer that's here to slay all your manscaping needs. With precision engineering and advanced technology, this waterproof body groomer for men is a game changer. No more nicks, snags, or tugs, just smooth, precise trimming every time. And here's the thing, the MANSCAPED 3.0 isn't just practical, it's a true gift of luxury and care. Imagine the joy on your loved one's face when they unwrap this USB-C rechargeable ball trimmer. Now before we continue, I want to tell you about something really exciting. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business? Well, now's the perfect time. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to turn that dream into reality. Millions of entrepreneurs around the world trust Shopify to power their online stores. You can create a beautiful, professional-looking store without any coding skills. Manage your products, track your inventory, and reach customers everywhere with their powerful marketing tools. Plus, they handle all the complicated stuff like payments and shipping, so you can focus on what you love. And with their 24/7 support team, help is always just a click away. So if you've been thinking about starting your own business, check out the link in the description below to start your free Shopify trial today. All right, enough about that for now. Let's finish up this review. It's a present that says, I want you to look and feel your best, all wrapped up in a sleek, ergonomic design with a powerful 7,000 RPM motor that gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Who would adore this festive find? Well, anyone who values self-care and wants to step up their grooming game. Whether it's your partner, brother, friend, or even yourself, the MANSCAPED 3.0 Body Hair Trimmer is a gift that keeps on giving the whole year through. So spread some holiday cheer with a gift that's sure to please. Give the gift of confidence and comfort with the MANSCAPED 3.0 Body Hair Trimmer. Your loved ones will thank you, and you'll be the holiday hero. Merry grooming, and happy holidays to all. I tried asking the MANSCAPED 3.0 Body Hair Trimmer to make a snowman. It didn't budge, but it's still frosty cool at what it does best. And the answer is B, Home Alone. B, Home Alone is the correct answer because it is the highest grossing Christmas movie ever, earning over $476 million worldwide since its release in 1990. It achieved this status due to its massive box office success. We hope this review of MANSCAPED 3.0 Body Hair Trimmer added some magic to your holiday list. If so, share it, subscribe, and check the link below for more festive details.